And the monsoon session of Parliament begins today. Don't expect things will be calm. The government is batting for an orderly session. That's not going to happen because the opposition has already made it very clear that they're going to be raising a number of issues. Fuel prices is something that they're going to be talking about. The COVID crisis, also allegations of snooping, of phone tapping. All of this is going to come up in this session of Parliament. Here's a look at what you can expect from the monsoon session.
A politically significant monsoon session, replete with face-off on the cards. A bid to broker peace was made at the all-party meet on Sunday. In the all-party meet, led by PM Modi himself, PM also called for constructive debate.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने चाहा स्वस्थ और सार्थक चर्चा होना चाहिए, शांतिपूर्ण ढंग से होना चाहिए। जो मुद्दा उठाना चाहते हैं नियम और प्रक्रिया के तहत से वो सभी चर्चा करने के लिए सरकार तैयार है।
While the government wants orderly session, the opposition is in no mood to relent. This is the first session after the devastating second wave of the COVID pandemic. The opposition has a handy tool to take on the government over the COVID response. The government is also facing heat over high fuel prices. Price rise and jobs are too generating political heat. Opposition is also targeting the government over farm laws and the protests by farm groups. Congress is also raking up the border row with China and the Rafale deal.
पंजाब एक बॉर्डर स्टेट है जिसकी अमन शांति और भाईचारिक सांझ बहुत इम्पेरेटिव है उस स्टेट के लिए, लेकिन ये कृषि कानूनों ने ऐसा पैदा कर दिए हैं हालात कि पंजाबी ही पंजाबी के ऊपर अटैक कर रहे हैं, जो इस बॉर्डर स्टेट के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे पाकिस्तान में बैठे लोग इस चीज का और काफी सारी ऐसी पार्टियां जो इन ऐसे लोगों के साथ नाता रखती हैं, गलत खाड़कूवाद के साथ नाता रखती हैं, वो इन चीजों का एडवांटेज ले रही हैं। तो इसका हल करना बहुत अति जरूरी है।
We want what the people are concerned about. Right now, the horrendous COVID situation, the terrible mismanagement by the government of it, and the vaccination policy, because every day people are lining up across the country in vaccination centers and there aren't enough vaccines.
Sonia Gandhi has entrusted Mallikarjun Kharge to bring about a synergy with other opposition parties.
Chinese border issue, ये border issue तो उठाने के लिए हमको सदन में राहुल जी की भी इच्छा है और ये सदन में भी हम उठाएंगे। समय जैसा मिलेगा उसी तरीके से एक एक इशू पे हम सारे मुद्दों को उठाएंगे।
The battle lines are clearly drawn. The ruling BJP is keeping the NDA allies in loop over counter strategy, holding a huddle after Modi's all-party meet. 38 bills are pending in the parliament. 17 new bills are listed for introduction and 9 bills are listed for passage. The government refers to the earlier talks on the farmer protest, adding that it will go by Business Advisory Panel's recommendations on the issue.
इससे पहले भी चर्चा हो गया और बीएसई में और जो नोटिस आता है वो देख के बीएसई में सूक्त निर्णय हम करेंगे। हम तो चर्चा से भाग नहीं रहे, क्योंकि जो कुछ भी जो पारित हुआ है वो भी चर्चा होके ही पारित हुआ है।
Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla too held an all-party meet to ensure a smooth monsoon session. But the upcoming assembly polls and political necessities will generate even more heat in the parliament. With Rahul Srivastav, Mausami Singh and Manjeet Negi, Bureau Report, India Today.